Hello everybody and welcome to day 15 of climate change. Last time we were together we took a look at sources of variability within the climate system, and today we get together for our third meeting of Journal Club. Come on along and let's take a look at the IPCC Summary Report for Policymakers. Our quote for today comes from the Governor of Washington State, Jay Inslee, who says, "We are the first generation to feel the sting of climate change, and we are the last generation that can do something about it." You are going to be able to summarize the information the IPCC thinks is most important for policymakers to know. So far, when we've had our journal clubs, we've read scientific studies where one author or a group of authors has conducted an investigation and reported their findings. Your reading for this class period is not that. Instead, the IPCC compiled all of our knowledge of climate change for the world, and then this report is a summary of which pieces of that information is important for politicians to know. So when you go through, you're not going to find things as intros, methods, results, and discussions. Instead, you're just going to find a series of figures that are explained. Those figures are not necessarily going to be produced from one experiment. This is what we did, this is what happened. Instead, they're going to try to summarize as much information in each figure as possible. When you read through this, you might not be able to tell how the authors knew what they're saying. If you want to know that information, you have to read the rest of the IPCC report. Looking at your homework for this evening, you have two things on your agenda. You've got to finish up your greenhouse gas lab, and then next time we are together, we will be in lab again looking at ice cores, and you should review and prep for that. The reading is going to be a little bit different than what you're used to, but I think that it should be pretty user-friendly, and I look forward to talking about it with you all together. Bye-bye, everyone.